What if you could make an image in about 4 seconds? Turn that image into a full cinematic video and then edit that video just by talking to it. No timelines, no masks, no keyframes. Swap a character by name, change the mood, retime the action, all by describing it in plain English. This isn't two separate tools you're duct taping together. It's one smooth pipeline, from a blank idea to a finished, edited clip. By the end of this video, you'll see the whole thing done start to finish, and honestly, it might replace your entire editing stack. First, real quick, if you're new here, welcome to ManuAGI. I'm Manu, and this channel is where I show you the newest, most powerful AI tools and exactly how to use them. If that sounds useful, hit subscribe, because what I'm about to show you is a perfect example. All right, let's get into it. So here's what we're working with. 2 brand new Google models, and they're built to hand off to each other. And the best part, they both live on Higgsfield AI, right next to each other and every other top model in one subscription. The first one is Nano Banana 2 Lite, Google's fastest, most cost-efficient image model yet. It makes clean, high-quality images in about 4 seconds with strong character consistency and, finally, readable text right in the image. It's so cheap and fast you can spam 100 ideas without thinking about it. The second one is Gemini Omni Flash. And this is the exciting one. It's the first model where real reasoning meets video creation. It doesn't just make video. It understands what it's making. Its motion actually obeys physics, and you can edit it just by describing the change in plain language. No timelines, no keyframes. You direct, it edits. Put them together and you've got the whole pipeline. One model makes the image, the other brings it to life. Let me show you exactly how. First, go to Higgsfield AI. To make things easier, I've added the direct link in the description below. Now, head over to the image section and select the latest image model, Nano Banana 2 Lite. In the prompt section, you can upload up to 14 reference images if you have them. That helps the AI better understand the style or character you want to create. For this example, though, I'm only using a text prompt, so I'll paste in my prompt here. A lone astronaut standing on a glowing alien beach at sunset, cinematic. As you can see, the model is already set to Nano Banana 2 Lite. Next, I'll choose my preferred image aspect ratio, enable the model's thinking process, and set the number of image variations. It can generate up to 4 images at once, but I'll select 2. Now let's click Generate. Just a few seconds later, take a look at that. A clean, high-quality cinematic image generated in about 4 seconds. Because this model is incredibly fast and affordable, I can easily generate multiple variations and simply choose my favorite without wasting time or credits. Now comes the exciting part. I'm going to take this image and use it as a reference for the new Gemini Omni Flash video model to bring it to life. So, I'll switch to the video section at the top and select Gemini Omni Flash. Here you'll find 2 different creation modes. The first one is Elements. This lets you upload images or videos to create a new video or even edit an existing one. The second option is Frames. If you already have a first frame and a last frame, simply upload both images and the AI will generate the motion between them. For this tutorial, I want to create an image to video, so I'll upload the image we just generated. Next, I'll enter my animation prompt. The astronaut slowly turns to the camera as glowing waves roll gently behind them. Now I'll choose the video duration. It supports videos up to 10 seconds, but for this example, I'll select 8 seconds. Then I'll choose the aspect ratio. Since I'm creating a YouTube video, I'll use the horizontal format. Everything is ready, so let's click Generate. Just a few seconds later, and look at this. Our single image has now become a beautiful cinematic video with smooth camera movement and realistic motion that actually respects gravity and physics instead of that strange, rubbery AI movement we've seen in many other models. But this is where things get even more impressive. I don't need to open a timeline, create masks, or spend hours editing. I simply tell the AI what I want to change. For example, let's say I want to transform this beautiful sunset scene into a night scene with a bright full moon. To do that, I'll upload the generated video as a reference. enter a new prompt, change the sunset to night with a full moon. Then I'll click Generate again. In just one pass, the AI completely rebuilds the entire scene based on my instruction. No masking, no keyframes, no manual editing. I simply described the change, and the AI handled everything automatically, and just look at the final result. It's absolutely mind-blowing. So let's step back and look at what just happened. I went from nothing to a high-quality image in seconds, to a cinematic video, to a fully edited final clip. All in one place, all by describing what I wanted. No juggling 5 different apps, no timeline editing. That's the whole point. These two models finally close the loop, from image to video, end to end. Honestly, for a lot of creators, this really can replace a big chunk of your editing stack, especially for social content, product videos, and quick concepts. One model makes it, the other moves it, and you direct the whole thing with your words. And since it's all on Higgsfield, next to every other top model, you're not paying for a dozen tools. It's one subscription, so that's the full AI pipeline. Image to video, end to end, edited just by talking. If this blew your mind or saved you time, hit subscribe. I show you tools like this every single week. And drop a comment. What's the first thing you'd make with this? I read them all. Want to try it yourself? The link's in the description. I'll see you in the next one.